In this little lesson, we will learn how to use past simple with irregular verbs. So let's begin with, when do we use past simple? Well, we use it to talk about finished activities and past events. Something that happened yesterday, last week, last year, and can also be used to talk about something that happened 1,000 years ago or even a minute ago. There are two types of verbs. With regular verbs, you need to add a D or an ED to change it to the past tense. However, with the irregular verbs, you need to memorize the past form of the verb, and that is the difficult part. In this lesson, we are going to focus on these verbs. And since I know how complicated it can be, I am simplifying it by focusing on 5 verbs in each lesson. Now, here is a quick look at the sentence structure. Now let's try and use the verb eat, which becomes ate in simple past. Did you eat your lunch? No, I didn't, but I ate a snack instead. The verb break becomes broke. Did John break his leg? Yes, he broke his leg in an accident. Poor thing. Have becomes had. Did the children have fun at the party? Yes, the children had a lot of fun. Now you try. Remember, see becomes saw. You can pause the video if you need more time.
Did you see my sister in the mall?
No, I didn't see her. But I saw your brother. Did you read the book?
Yes, I read it.
So that's how you use some of the irregular verbs in simple past.